Hey, if you open your YouTube mobile app and you have the black screen right here instead of the video preview, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, you can simply go into the settings of your phone. Now from the search bar, just type YouTube and simply open the YouTube app. Now from here, try to get rid of all storage and cache by tapping here, tap to clear cache, and also tap to clear storage. And now it is going to delete everything from the YouTube app or save videos and other stuff like this. Of course, it is not going to delete our accounts or something like this. You don't have to worry, it will basically log out your accounts, but don't remove them. Next, you can also go into the mobile data usage, and from here just be sure that you got enabled this switcher, the unrestricted data usage. There's a chance that you actually turn on the mobile data saver and your phone doesn't allow you to play YouTube videos when you doesn't turn on this function. Then just go back from this one. You can also try to force this application. So click like this, and now when I try to open it from the background, it will basically reload. So that's some kind of the soft reset of this application. And now just try to play another video, for example like this one, and tell me if it works. If it doesn't work, just tell me in the comments, so I will try to make another video about this one. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.